Hello everyone. Today let's explore how to integrate your Tremendous account with the Afflr affiliate marketing application for your Shopify store's affiliate program. Start by logging into your Shopify admin dashboard, then open the Afflr affiliate marketing application. Once you're on the Afflr affiliate marketing dashboard, you're ready to begin. Next, navigate to the Settings section located at the top. In the Settings page, look to the left-hand side and click on the Payments section. Here on the Payments page, scroll down a bit until you see the Tremendous option listed among the integrations. The Tremendous integration lets you pay affiliates using various gift cards as commission, offering flexible rewards. To enable this feature, simply toggle the button next to it. Once you've done that, a field for a private API key will appear. You'll need to enter your private API key here. To obtain this, let's go over to Tremendous. First, ensure you've created and logged into your Tremendous account and have added funds to it. Once that's set, navigate to the Team Settings section on the left-hand side of the Tremendous dashboard. Under this section, you'll find the option for developers. Within the Developers section, you'll see a page dedicated to API keys. On this page, locate and click the Generate API Key button. A pop-up will appear requiring you to take an action. Here, you need to give a name to your API key. Let's name it Afflr for this purpose. After naming it, click on the Generate API Key button. Voila! A new API key has been successfully generated. Make sure to copy the API key shown, as this is your only chance to view it. Let's copy it now. With the key copied, click Done, and head back to your Afflr application to paste the copied API key into the appropriate field. Below the API key field, you have the option to include mail instructions. This feature allows you to embed instructions in the email template used to notify affiliates when their payout is processed. You can fill in a message here if you'd like. Once everything is set, click on the Verify button. And just like that, your Tremendous account is successfully integrated with your Afflr account. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for tuning in.